Let's look at the visual collaboration tools. That is all of these buttons over here on the right-hand side, starting with the KML file. This allows you to load up a Google Earth KML file. So I've got one here for Boston neighborhoods. I double-click on it, and it brings me right there and shows me that KML file. So I'll use this a lot for doing the link between GIS, QGIS, or ArcGIS Pro, whatever. I can take a shapefile, a GIS layer, turn it into a KML, and dump it into Soar, which is great. Allows me to see exactly the project boundaries or the parcels or the points, whatever it might be, here, and then I could, get satellite imagery according to that. So a good link between GIS programs. Sure. Going down the list, we've got zoom in and zoom out. Pretty straightforward on those, or the box zoom. I can zoom in, draw a box, and it'll zoom to the spot. Again, really easy. I've got an area measurement tool here. So in square kilometers, let's say I wanted to, measure this island here. I could draw it in and then scooch in the vertices and, take some time and do that as accurately as I wanted to, and get a quick area measurement. So it's pretty useful that way. Just another one of these small tools in Soar that are great, right? And if you just want to get a quick polygon, get a quick measurement of something, it's great. We've also got a ruler, so just to measure things. If I want to measure it across there, it's 600 meters, right? I've got a text box here, text field. I can just click in there, and if I click on it, I can enter area, something like that. Color code it, whatever I want to do. Leave a note for someone, right? So that's that's fine. Or take a screenshot of that, and I've got some text on there. I can draw arrows as well, or a circle or square. The beauty of this is I can leave notes within people's maps themselves, right? So let's say I'm going to go to this map here in Fiji of the Navua River, I guess. There's annotations already on this map, but I could leave notes on here right on this map, and it would show up in there. So let's do a demo, right? So now there's 7 annotations. So if I wanted to leave a note for Elaine F., who posted this map, I could do that, and it would show up and say, hey, take a look at this area, or nice map, or I have a question about this, and I could circle it and put an arrow on it, or a square, and even add the coordinates. So if I put the coordinates in there, it's going to lock that into this comment. So I think that's a great way to leave a note for someone. Like, it's nice to say, oh, hey, this is a great map, but you can actually start to draw on it and give them more information and communicate better, which is really kind of cool. You can export your link out, right? So I have this, this is generating a share link in my clipboard. If I paste it in there, it's gonna bring me to Soar, so I could send that to someone and say, hey, take a look at this map that's up in Soar, and here's the link, right? It goes right into my clipboard. I can email that to them. They'll click on it, and it'll bring them back here with your notes on it. So great way to collaborate and share maps and share information and share what's beyond being shown here. So kind of a cool feature as well. And then, the delete all. So I'm going to delete these because I don't want Elaine to get pinged that someone has commented, or anyone else that, comes across it can see those annotations, right? So great way to collaborate. Those are the visual collaboration tools. Neat feature, and use them. Yeah, they're great.